Kisumu, and I want to join my colleagues that we are going to stand together with our Honorable Governor Simba Arati against any form of intimidation. And we are asking our elected leaders to stick to their mandate. If your mandate is to oversight the national government, kindly stick to your mandate. We are aware that there is an MP in Kisii who is trying to blackmail Simba Arati, and we are saying no as members of ODM party. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. My name is Edwin Martin Otieno, the Majority Leader here, County Assembly. I'm in agreement and support of what my honorable colleagues have said. That one, we are in defense of our governors. We want them to be left to do their work as they pledged during their campaigns. So, and again, we have the idea that those who are, everyone to stick to their mandate as is enshrined in the Constitution. We are saying that as we are not, all of us, if we are united, will stand and deliver to the promises of that we gave to our people. Lastly, about the intimidation, we are all against it, just as our other colleagues have said, that we'll stand by our governors to work for our people. Thank you.